come all the way from North Carolina to be with us today. Yay, Katherine. I think she was on the radio this Friday. She has 25 years of direct clinical experience, and she doesn't just believe in helping others to heal. Instead, her mission is to help them to evolve. Using her own integrative framework, the soul health model, Dr. Kelly approaches her work with clients from a psycho-spiritual perspective. She provides a uniquely progressive yet down-to-earth approach to healing and is well known in both the therapeutic and medical communities. She helps clients to reach conscious evolution through a variety of self-designed methods, and she is the author of Soul Health, which she also has that book available in the lobby. So join me in welcoming Dr. Katherine Kelly. And you will be hearing more from her later. So that said, let's all stand and greet one another.